Welcome back, everyone. Today we are discussing driving into the world presidential luxury and security as we take a closer look at the iconic vehicle that transports the leader of the free world, the US President's car, Beasts. Exterior features. The Beast is not your average limousine, it's a custom made Cadillac that boasts a unique and imposing interior armored by withstand various threats. Its body is made from a combination of steel, aluminium, titanium, and ceramic material. The design is not just about the aesthetics, it's fortress on wheels. Interior. Let's step inside the Beast, where a luxury meets security. The interior is nothing short of opulent, featuring plush plus leather seats, high-tech communication system, and amenities fit from the head of states of presidents. Can be conduct a business, hold a meeting, and even enjoy a moment of relaxation while on moving. Security measures. Now let's talk about the security features that make the Beast truly unique. The windows, for example, are made of 5 layers of glass and polycarbonate, offering unparalleled ballistic protection. The doors are so heavy that they require a hydraulic system to assist with opening and closing. Advanced communication system. Communication is a crucial for any world leader, and Beast is equipped with the state-of-the-art technology to ensure the connectivity at all times. From secure phone lines to satellite communication, and president can stay in touch with the world even while on moving. And remember one thing, I will tell you, the price of this Beast is $1.5 million. Emergency medical supplies. In case of emergency, Beast is prepared. It carries a supply of president's blood type and other medical supplies, ensuring that immediate care is available if need. The vehicle is essential a mobile medical unit. There you have its glimpse into the world of US president's vehicle combines a luxury, technology, and security like no other. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of responsibility and protection that come with being leader. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe. For more content, let us know in comments. Thanks for watching us.